The most common theme that inspires me in my jewelry is water. And whether it is freshwater, whether it's waterfalls, whether it's the Adriatic, whether it's the Ionian Sea, and I'm always drawn back to those colors. I love to pair stones with the colors of each individual place. So I would say that the through line of color for me, it's always going to be nature. The through line of structure in my jewelry is more often than not architectural, but the through line of culture is absolutely nature, and more often than not water-based, which is not surprising since I ended up selling my collections on luxury cruise ships.